Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best different types of circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the corded circular saws. Well, this isn't mainly a type of circular saw. Instead, it's a feature mostly preferable for circular saws. Corded circular saws generate a tremendous amount of power, which can perform even the toughest cutting jobs at ease. Cordless circular saws with their brute force top their counterpart, the cordless ones, easily. Moving on, at number 4, we have the cordless circular saws. If coated circular saws are famous for their strength, the cordless ones are even more popular for their mobility. You can use cordless circular saws to rip large timbers, those you can't move due to their heavy weight. As you can move it near to your workplace, it quickens your job. At number 3, we have the compact and mini circular saws. The performance of the power tools such as circular saws often relies upon the confidence and experience of the users. So, for the amateur carpenters, the compact and mini circular saws will be a great benefit. These mini circular saws are lightweight and portable, so negates any opportunity of accidents. Moreover, their compact design enables the user to carry it without sweating. Isn't it an excellent advantage to have? At number 2, we have the worm drive circular saws. Worm drive circular saws are the most common ones you will see. Unlike other circular saws, the motor of the worm drive saws is placed at the back. So, it has a slightly longer blade. Moreover, it is thinner than other saws' blade. On the other side, the gears are placed at a 90-degree angle, helping them to transfer power with better control. All these features make it an ideal choice for cutting plunges and wide boards. Indeed, its extreme strength and longer teeth on the blade will help the user to handle robust and substantial tasks more comfortably. Moreover, they have extended durability. They, however, require some regular maintenance, such as adding oil. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sidewinder circular saws. Also known as inline circular saws, the motor in these types of circular saws are mounted at one side. So, it is a compact model. Carpenters, especially in the eastern part of the USA, prefer the Sidewinder circular saws. Typically, the motor is mounted on the right side of the saw. So, it is placed on a stable platform. Moreover, it is lightweight and portable, which makes it ideal if you need to perform overhead cuttings. Furthermore, the inline placement of the motor helps the blade to work with more speed, close to 5500, 6000 RPM. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.